In this video, I'm going to show you some examples of how you can use Pensieve Share to email yourself from within other apps. If you haven't watched the first video yet, which talks about setting up Pensieve Share, check that out first. As covered in the first video, I can send myself a website in Safari using the share icon and choosing Pensieve, and then tap Share. I can also send myself links from within a website. For example, this one here. I tap and hold on the link, then I choose Share and Pensieve, and then I tap Send. Additionally, I can send myself images embedded in a website. If I tap and hold on this image, and then I choose Share, and then Pensieve, Pensieve will load the URL of the image and the image itself as an attachment. I can also send myself photos from my photos library. I can select one or multiple photos and tap the share icon in the lower left. Then I choose Pensieve from the list of sharing apps, and I can add a message or just send as is. I can also share myself photos from within a messages conversation. If I just tap on the image, the share icon appears in the lower left. I can then add a note or send that as is. Let's explore some other use cases. How about a location in Google Maps? Once I've found a location I want to share with myself, I can scroll to the right and find the share option. I tap on that, and then I choose Pensieve, and I will get the location information and a link to it in Google Maps, which I can send to myself. Maybe I have a note on my phone that I want to get onto another device. Once I found the note I want to share, I can tap the ellipsis button and then choose Send a Copy. Pensieve will appear, and I choose Pensieve to email this to myself. This type of sharing is really handy if you have something on your iPhone that you want to get to a Windows PC, for example. Maybe I have voice memos that I want to send to myself. I can choose Edit and then select one or more voice memos and tap the share icon in the lower left corner. These audio files will be sent to me as attachments. Just a few more. What if I have a contact card that I want to share to myself? I can find the contact card and then choose Share Contact and then Pensieve, and I'll get the card as an attachment. Or perhaps there's an app in the App Store that I want to check out later. Once I've found the app, in the top right corner is the share icon, and I can choose Pensieve, and I'll get a link to the app in the App Store in my inbox. Try exploring other apps on your phone and see which ones support the share icon. If they do, odds are good that you can use Pensieve Share to email yourself whatever you want from within that app.